Myself. I am Mimi Ghosh. I completed my MA and B.Ed course, and I like to share my video with the public, and I like, and it is the good habit to study the different books for acquiring knowledge, and I am enjoys to watch the TV programs. Interview. Hi sir, may I come in please? Come here and take your seat. Why are you leaving to the old job? I am leaving to the old job because it is the far distance from my house. Why are you interested to participate in this job? I am very interested because I am thinking it is a good and ideal job. How many years experience have you? I have 5 years experience. How much salaries have you deserved? I have deserved 30,000 salary. What should be the doctor's attentions? The doctor's main attention should be to take carefully treatments to their patients and pay attention to the good treatments to all them, and notice to the best treatments and survive to the patients. What should be the teacher's main attentions? The teachers has a good responsibility to their students, and they should be to the good teachings and give the best instructions and pay attention and take carefully to their students, and thus they should be to inform a educated society. How do you making the orange juice? At first I have bought the orange and the fresh orange wash and peel the orange, remove the seeds, the pieces of orange put into the machine, switch on and the liquid juices are separated and poured into the bottles. How do you washing to the dirty clothes? At first I collected to the some dirty clothes and I put it into the machines for washing, and I mixed some water and detergent powder into it. Then after cleaning I wash it all clothes.